The origins of Python. The beginning of the modern Python programming started in December of 1989. The creator of this program was Guido van Rossum, who began programming as more of a hobby. At the time, Van Rossum was working on a project with the Dutch CWI Research Institute, that was later terminated. Van Rossum was able to use some of the basics of this new language, known as the ABC language, in order to work on Python. The main strength of this language is that really easy to extend upon to make more complex, or keep simple, and it was able to support multiple platforms. Both of these were important during the days when personal computers were becoming popular. And since Python was designed to communicate with different file formats and libraries, it became a hit as well. Python has grown quite a bit since its inception, and more tools have been added to make the programming more functioning. In addition to making Python easy to use, Van Rossum has been working on initiatives that encourage the education of coding to everyone, not just a select few. Using Python to use coding can make things easier and helps to get rid of some of the fears associated with the complex computer code, since it doesn't look so scary. Over the years, Van Rossum decided to make Python open-sourced. This allowed all to gain access and make changes to Python so that if something happened to Van Rossum, all would not be lost. Thanks to having Python open-sourced, Python 2.0 was released during 2000 to make it more community-oriented and to have a transparent development process. There are a few newer versions of Python 2.0 still being used, but Python 3 has been taking the world by storm, and most anticipate this will be the normal one used within the next few years.